I have this 19.5 by 9.5 inch piece of wood that I'm going to paint with some Wise Owl black paint, and I'm just going to give it one good coat. And you want this to fully dry. I'm going to be using these rectangle pegboards that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I have 4 of them, and each pegboard measures 10 by 5 inches. If you get lucky, you can find these adhesive rinks at the Dollar Tree as well. It's basically just an adhesive mounting piece to help you secure your pegboard to your surface. I'm going to be using 8 of them, and I'm putting one in the top outside and one on the bottom inside of each pegboard. So I'm putting 2 on each pegboard. And they just clip right in. Now, if you cannot find these, you can just screw the pegboard into your piece of wood. And I am not going to be using the adhesive part. I'm just using the mounting piece. And then I'm going to be taking some of the E6000, which is just an industrial strength glue, and I'm going to place it onto the back of the mounting piece and place it on my board. Now you can put a good amount of the E6000. We want to make sure this is nice and strong. And again, I did this to each of the pegboards on the back side. And if you do not have the adhesive rinks from the Dollar Tree, then I would just take a screw and just screw it right into the back of this nice piece of wood. And then you want this to sit overnight. Once everything is fully dry, I have this coffee silk screen stencil that I got from Michael's. It says always tasty, fresh coffee, always hot. And I'm just going to be using the part that says fresh coffee. I'm going to place it on the top left pegboard, and using some Wise Owl Snow Owl and just a foam dabber, I'm just going to rub over the fresh coffee. Now again, these are the reusable silk screen stencils from Michael's. I can get away with using the chalk synthesis paint or the chalk paste. You just want to make sure that you don't put too much paint or it will bleed underneath the stencil. But I just rub the foam dabber over the area and it goes right through the silk screen. And then you want to wash that properly. You can get these pegboard hooks. They come in white or black. I'm going to use white, and I have this little cup and shelf that I'm also going to place onto the pegboard. And you can design this however you'd like. Hang your coffee mugs from the pegboard hooks, and then you can just decorate it, filling the little cup with some stirring spoons, and then I placed some of my coffee pods onto the shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.